What's up, party people? Android Stud here, and I have the Unicorn Beetle Pro rugged case from Supcase. Wanted to thank them for sending this out. Drop down in the description if you want to pick this up. Now, this comes in about 9 colors. 2, 4, 6, 8, yeah, about 9 colors. This is the black one that I wanted to show you. Now, when it comes to the S25 Ultra, everybody's all about the slim and trim case, the aramid fibers, something real slim. This is the opposite. This is something very protective, something that's going to keep your case from, or your phone from busting up. You mean you are going to be totally protected on this. So let's get into it. Now, this comes with a holster, a screen protector, you name it. It has everything. So we're going to get into it. As you can see, it's got the old school holster there for those that like to get down like that. It pops in. I actually like these kind of cases because you're able to protect your case and have that protection. And this also comes with that kickstand. Not only does it come with the holster, but it comes with the kickstand, which is really, really, really nice. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to get our screen protector here, and we're gonna pop that off on both sides. And then this is protective film, so you go ahead and take this off. And yeah, this peels off too. This is, I guess, where your screen protector is gonna go. I mean, your fingerprint is letting you know where your fingerprint's gonna be for your. And the good thing about this, if you don't have a screen protector, I have a screen protector on mine. I believe this is gonna work pretty good or okay. So we're gonna go ahead, and the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna, on the bottom right corner, you're just gonna peel this off so that we can get this bad boy apart. And we're gonna put this in without the screen protector first. So that's the first thing we're gonna do. So we're gonna place this over here. Put this on the buttons. Volume button, so you're good to go. And then kind of just, and then there's your frame there. So as you can see, and then you're gonna be really protected. And then this just kind of slaps in. I don't know why it makes the phone gigantic. But man, you're talking about having your phone protected. This is just full coverage. I mean, it keeps, this port here keeps out dirt, moisture, you name it. Look how heavy duty this is. And then you get that little opening there for your pen. Snaps out, get it out real easy. But everything is like heavy duty. Look at this. Look at that. I mean, look at the rim protection on this. I mean, the lip protection is just insane. I mean, it just totally covers everything. Look at that. Never gonna break your phone. This is for the construction worker, that person that's out there, man, on their bike, climbing mountains, you name it. And look at this, huh? Look at that for your thing. And then if you want to do your kickstand, you're good to go, which is great. You're out there, you're riding your bike, you want to take a little break, watch some YouTube, watch some Android Stud videos, you name it. Let's go ahead and put this here. Now this obviously is gonna work like this. Pops in. You put this on your belt loop. You got a little clip here, goes right on your loop. Boom. This is old school right here, man. This is the kind of stuff my dad used to rock. Shoot, this might be what I rock. This is straight geezer mode here, bro. This is geezer mode. But hey, man, I ain't mad at those who rock the belt loop and the hoister, bro. This is definitely hot looking. But next thing we're gonna do, we're gonna put this on. So what you simply do is you go back here, down here, and you kind of rip it off. Real easy. that. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull off put that to the side. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it on the volume side there. And then just have this kind of snap on like that. And then you got your screen protector there. This should work. Yeah, everything's there. And then you got your fingerprint. So we're gonna do the fingerprint here in a minute, but we're gonna slap this in. And then you kind of just work it so that everything is secure. All right, so the first thing we're gonna try is our fingerprint. So we're gonna turn that off. You see there's an opening in the screen basically where you're gonna be able to use your fingerprint. So it's like a little opening there, like a little less of a screen protector, that part of the thing. So you're able to use your screen protector or your fingerprint so that everything goes in. But this is kind of nice because you got total 360 degree coverage on this bad boy. I mean, you get everything. Now this is not compatible with MagSafe. That's the only thing that is tough, but you got a kickstand with 3 viewing angles, doubles as a ring holder because you could go like this, put your finger in there, which is kind of cool. But you don't have the ability to use MagSafe, which is kind of a bummer. I think it should have the MagSafe, but as far as the buttons, they work really good. They're very tactile, easy to use. Fingerprint's still working good. You may have to re-register your fingerprint. I didn't have to, so you're good to go as far as that's concerned. This case is definitely my favorite when it comes to, as you can see, you got, man, great protection there, and this kind of just snaps in. So everything is protected. You don't have to worry about anything getting in there, anything getting in your speaker. I mean, this is the ultimate protective device. Definitely check it out. Drop down in the description. This is the Supcase Unicorn Beetle Pro. Very nice.